Hey everyone, today I have a quick Gmail tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to change your Gmail name to something other than the default. So maybe you want it to be your business name or your nickname. This is the name that other people see when they receive an email from you. You can't unfortunately change your Gmail address, but you can change the name. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken and this is Northern Viking Everyday, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos. So please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and dive right over to Gmail and show you how to change your Gmail name. All right, so here we are in my Gmail account. You can go ahead and load up Gmail on your computer. And the first thing we're looking to do is actually find the settings here in Gmail. So in the top right-hand corner, you're gonna see a little gear or sprocket up here. And when you hover over that, it says settings. You can go ahead and left click on that with your mouse. And that's gonna bring up the quick settings for Gmail. Now, these aren't actually the settings we're looking for. We're looking for all the settings. So you'll see a little rectangle here. It says see all settings right at the top. Just go ahead and left click on that. And that's gonna load up the full set of settings for Gmail. Now, once you're in here, you can see there's all sorts of different options. There's general, there's labels, there's inbox, there's accounts and import. Accounts and import is the option we're looking for today. So you can go ahead and left click on accounts and import. That's gonna load up a page that looks something like this. Now in here, we're looking for this option that says send mail as. It's here on the left-hand side, it says send mail as. And if you go all the way to the right-hand side here, you're gonna see an option that says edit info. Just go ahead and left click on this option here that says edit info. And that's gonna load up a page where we can make some changes. So you can see right now, the name is set to the automatic one, the cruising show. But under that, there's a white box here where we can type in whatever we like. So I'm gonna just go ahead and click on this little circle here so the blue circle fills in. And we can type in whatever we like here. So I'm gonna type in whatever name I like. Maybe it's your business name, maybe it's your nickname. I'll just type in Ken loves to travel, whatever you like. And then just go ahead and hit save here. Let's just hit save. And we're gonna exit back out to my inbox here. And let's send a quick email to my other email address and see if it works. So I'm just gonna hit compose and I'll type in that. And we'll just type in this is a test. And I'm gonna send that email. And let's head on over to my Outlook account here and see if that comes up. So the email popped up pretty quick here. You can see now it changed the name to what we changed it to over in Gmail. Ken loves to travel, and the title is This is a Test. And it's really that simple to change your Gmail name in the settings here in Gmail. So I hope this quick Gmail tutorial was able to help you make your email name change. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.